Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutiara Hairunisa. My student identification number is 4222201032. I'm from Robotics Engineering Morning Class A. I'm 6th semester. In this video, I will explain the handwriting classification program using the HOG feature extraction method and the SVM algorithm with the evaluation using the LOOCV method. This program is run the MNIST letter dataset. Let's get started. Okay, for the first step is dataset preparation. The first, I install package, and we start by importing necessary libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and etc. We also load dataset, the MNIST letter dataset from a CSV file. The first column contains the label for each image from 1 to 26, representing A to Z, while the remaining columns are pixel value of a 28 times 28 grayscale image. To create a balanced dataset, I selected 100 random sample from each class, resulting in 2,600 samples total. This ensures fair evaluation across all 26 alphabet classes. After that, we shuffle the dataset to avoid bias ordering. And this is a result, the dataset after shuffle the data, such as label P, B, C, V, P, T, Q, E, H, and U. And then we split the dataset into 80% for training and 20% for testing, while maintaining class distribution using stratified sampling. That is, the result amount of training data is 2,600, and amount of testing data is 520. This is a label distribution of training data is 80. Label distribution of testing data is 20. The second step is feature extraction. I use the histogram of oriented gradients or HOG technique to extract feature from the letter image. The default parameter used here are orientation is 9, pixel per cells is 8 times 8, pixels per block 2 times 2, block normalized is L2HWS. The features are extracted for both training and test datasets. This is extract HOG, and this is data test extract HOG. And we train SVM with default parameter, prediction and evaluation in the test set, and the result text accuracy is 74%. And I have the tuning parameter or grid search. The base parameter is C, then kernel and RBF. After that, LOOCV or leave one out cross validation is robust evaluation technique where we train on all sample except one, then test on the excluded one. This repeat for every sample. Although computationally expensive, it gives an unbiased estimate of model performance. In this project, LOOCV is applied on the training set using both default and base found SVM parameters. The predicted and true labels are collected and evaluation metrics are computed. The result of evaluation LOOCV in the training data is accuracy 7 to 7%, precision is 7 to 8%, F1 score is 7 to 7%. Okay, this is confusion metric LOOCV in train set. shows the result of evaluating the classification model on trained data using the LOCV method. Each row represents actual class, and each column represents our predicted class. Diagonal number, example 48, 57, 65, and etc. indicate the number of correctly classified the data for each class. Numbers outside the diagonal indicate the amount of data that was misclassified to another class. The larger number on the diagonal, the better the model's performance in recognizing the correct class. That is. Okay, the next, I change the default parameters. Orientation 12 pixel per cells, 4 times 4 cells per block, 2 times 2, log normally L1. The next step is classification. I use support vector machine or SVM for classification and change the default SVM parameters. The SVM classifier is trained on the HOG features using a linear kernel and default regularization parameter C equal 1. To improve performance, I use grid search to find the best combination of kernel, regularization C, and gamma, which is relevant for RBF kernel. The grid search tries combination like C 0.1, 1, and 10, and both linear and RBF kernels. The base estimator SVC C equal 10. And to save the best model from grid search, the result is best parameter. Okay, next, measure training performance using LOCV. And the result, evaluation performance training with LOCV is accuracy is 81%, precision 81%, and F1 score 81%. And this is confusion matrix LOCV training set. And the last step is evaluation. After training the model, we evaluate it using several metrics: accuracy, precision, and F1 score. These are calculated on both the training and test sets. In my experiment, the LOCV on the training set achieves an accuracy of approximately this. We also visualize confusion matrix to see class-wise performance. On the test set, the model performs with a reasonably high accuracy and balanced precision and recall across letters. Okay, this is a result training evaluation model in training set, and this is evaluation model in test set. Okay, in summary, I built a complete character classification pipeline using HOG and SVM. I ensure balanced training data, explore different feature extraction parameters, and evaluated model performance using both grid search and LOCV. If there is a mistake, please forgive me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.